Hi, my name's Andy Kerr. I'm with Bouwers&Wilkins and I'm here to introduce to you the 55-inch Momentum gaming monitor. If you don't know us, we produce some of the world's best-known loudspeakers, including iconic designs like the Nautilus. We also do loudspeakers for some of the world's most famous recording studios. We're also one of the premium audio suppliers for systems in Philips TV, and we do some of the world's best-known car brands. So we've got a lot of history, a lot of technology, and a lot of pedigree to bring to this table to help us make the 55-inch Momentum the best-sounding gaming monitor you've ever heard. We think about a principle called true sound. Now, what does that actually mean? What we're trying to do here is take the incoming audio signal, whatever that might be, and then deliver it to your ears in the least changed format possible. So we don't want to introduce any coloration or modification to the sound. We don't want to change the bass or lose detail. What we want to do instead is give you the absolute natural, convincing listening experience, exactly as if you were there with the recording studio engineers or indeed with the performer in the recording studio themselves. And that way you capture the full essence and the full emotion of what the performance is going to try and convey. They put that into the gaming monitor world, and what that means is you get all that detail and all that resolution, all those engineers that have gone into mixing that soundtrack wanted you to hear in the first place. And that makes a massive difference to how realistic your gaming experience could be. For example, we can intensify the action, that sense of punch and that sense of drive and drama when you're playing first-person shooters in our shooting and action mode. Or we can give you something more immersive and more three-dimensional. So if you wanted to get really into the sports arena or really into behind the seat of the car while you're in the racing games, you can go to our driving and racing games, our sports modes, and really enjoy that experience too. We can also create fantastic environments that are really immersive and really three-dimensional to suit RPG and adventure. We have a whole series of different optimized modes to suit different gaming environments, and each one of them has been tailored to deliver the best possible sound experience with whatever it is you want to play. On top of that, you've also got a movie mode, so when it's time to put away the console and start watching a film, streaming something, whatever it might be, you're also going to get a fantastic immersive movie watching experience too. This is a completely engineered solution with all the elements that you need in one solution with one plug, no external wires required, no external components required. But it's not just about convenience, it's also about performance too. By creating a combined and unified system, what you can do is tune the audio performance to match exactly to the action on the screen. We know perfectly what the distance relationship between the center of the audio system and the center of the screen is, and as a result of that, we can really optimize the relationship between the two. And again, that really increases further that sense of realism and immediacy with all the content that you're going to play. So just to recap, what we're talking about here is the new 55-inch Momentum gaming monitor with sound by Bouwers&Wilkins. It's the very first time that Bouwers&Wilkins has entered into this new field, but I hope you understand by now what we're talking about here is a brand with a huge amount of pedigree in the audio space and a very solid and recent track record of success working with audio systems specifically designed to improve the sound of TVs. We're now bringing all of that pedigree and all of that ability into the gaming arena, so I hope you're as excited as we are to see what we can achieve.